right now, many of you are looking at your past failures. You're looking at those hard times, those bad experiences. You're thinking about the relationship, the person treated you wrong, they cheated on you, they abused you. You're thinking about the money that you lost, and that is influencing your decision to get to your outcome. If I'm driving my car right now, I'm driving my BMW i8. If I look behind me right now and I'm trying to go to my gym, the outcome, what happens? I'm gonna wreck. I should be focusing all my time, all my effort on the outcome, whatever that may be, right? Today, it's the gym. It's the same thing that happens in your life, right? When you look behind you at all the past experiences, all the failures, all the struggles, and now you're scared to approach, you're gonna wreck. But if I just continue to look ahead at my outcome, I would have been there already. You would have been there already. You're too concerned what happened to you 2 years ago. That is contaminating your ability to get to your goal and your outcome.
What is Overnight Millionaire System? Overnight Millionaire System touches each of your success cycles. Wesley shares the secrets that are inestimable to the potential of every business person. He also states that this guide is a new Bible for success. It has 5 set of overnight mindset hacks audio series which helps you to manifest. This helps you implant the idea of self-made millionaires created directly into your brain. It includes a step-by-step procedure that will provide excellent results in a few days. Moreover, it has also been designed to increase your well-being even when you are asleep. Further, it is a proven formula that allows you to immediately show your emotional strength. This mind-hacking system provides a stream of revenue without spending a dime. How does Overnight Millionaire System work? Overnight Millionaire System gives you all the positive energy that need by your body and mind. It creates a visual picture of past and future events. In this way, you can analyze things that help you work. As you set the right frequency, you set the right to attractiveness. It helps to the continuous release of negative energy and emotions. So, you become 100% perfect. With this, you stay on the same path with a good life mood. In this mental jump, the present includes specific goals that you have in the future. It encourages you to work successfully. What will you learn from Overnight Millionaire System? 5 Overnight Mindset Hacks audio series. These audios unknowingly help change the way you think when you sleep to get richer and more effective. Fast Start Mind Hacks Execution Cheat Guide. The cheat guide provides an effective way to get financial freedom for incredibly fast results. The Mindset Hacks Guided Transcendental Meditation Experience. This video is an easy-to-understand guide that can give you a life-changing experience. How to creatively visualize and manifest things faster. This part of the system explains in detail how you can effectively visualize and show what you want to do. How to become a personal of high value in the eyes of people. You also learn how to gain more respect and authority from people around you to achieve success faster. The untold secret behind journal writing to manifest. Here, you learn how writing a magazine can help you achieve your dreams and goals to get them as soon as possible. How to create multiple streams of income without spending a dime. This section details how to create different revenue streams without spending money. How to become a master at persuasion. In this chapter, you learn about the different methods used by very successful doctors, magicians, and more. Bonuses. Number 1, a millionaire's morning ritual. Number 2, supernatural wealth frequencies. Number 3, body stimulating formula. Benefits of using Overnight Millionaire. You will quickly find that there are lots of benefits to following the Overnight Millionaire System, including fast wealth accumulation. When you follow this system, you can expect to start accumulating wealth much faster than you ever thought possible. It can help you to become a millionaire within a matter of months or even weeks. More self-confidence. You can also use this comprehensive wealth accumulation system to boost your self-confidence. This in turn will improve pretty much every aspect of your life. Meet your goals faster. The information in these resources will teach you how to start achieving your goals faster. This applies to financial goals and many other kinds. Works for everyone. This system is designed in such a way to where it can work for virtually everyone. It doesn't matter where you are starting from. Disadvantages. This is not a magic system to bring you overnight results. It takes some time to show it. Without an internet connection, you cannot access this, because it is available only online. Conclusion: the Overnight Millionaire is one of the most helpful and comprehensive products on the market to help with accumulating wealth quickly and effectively. It can work for virtually anyone, making it a wonderful overall product. You should look at it as an investment in your future, because that is precisely what it is. You don't need to be a genius to make this system work in your favor. What are you waiting for? Click link in description to learn more.